Hey, this is Michael Colvin, and I'll be talking about sciencebuddies.org. It's a free website, mostly designed for teachers, but you must create an account. Um, you'll need your name. You'll create a username. If it's already used, you'll have to come up with a different one. I got it on the first try. Make up a password, and you have to include an email. I use my school email. Um, Now, I teach credit recovery at Free State High School here in Lawrence, Kansas, and the students use a program called Odysseyware. In the science courses that they take, they often have to do projects, which have to do experiments. But we don't have the time or resources to do an actual experiment. So I've, in the past, always told the students that they should find a substitute video, maybe on YouTube, that approximates the experiment, verisimilitude kind of thing. But this website, which I discovered, allows them to find specific experiments, so it could work really well. Um, so let me show you the actual video. There's the actual website. And I'm sorry, this is old school because I cannot get my computer to put the website on the same page with me talking. So I just am showing you the actual website here. The website's name is actually just sciencebuddies.org, sciencebuddies.org. And once you log in, this is the home page. I could even go back to the home page, but this is the home page. And on the menu, you have a lot of choices between science activities, STEM related things, teacher lesson plans, project guides for actual science fairs. But what I am primarily going to be using this for is the actual science project, which is the second biggest top-down menu here. Teachers has, like I said, lots of different activities for teachers' lessons and video lessons and lesson plans. But like I said, I'm going to be using it primarily for science projects. So really the top two are the main ones you'll use. I'm high school, so I'd primarily be using it for 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. The area of science are many and varied, so I would never, most of my students wouldn't use all of these different choices, but we have things like physical sciences, astronomy, chemistry, physics, even sports. Where was that? I saw it at the bottom. Sports science, life sciences, of course, biology, but we also have things like chemistry and biochemistry and genetics, human biology and health. A lot of my students have to make up a health class. Plant biology is always a difficult course to find, and wonderful experiment right there. Some zoology. We also have down here, we got earth and environmental sciences like weather and atmosphere. Has some math over here, a little bit of math. I would probably go to an actual math website if I were looking for that, but it has a little bit. All right, so come back up here. As for the in the SAMR model, most of the experiments would fall in the higher levels, M modification and R for redefinition. They require the students to make interpretations rather than just regurgitate facts, as we see in the lower levels of SAMR. So I think I'm going to stop recording because I'm just under 4 minutes.